गणेश शरणं गणेश शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीताराम राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीताराम राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम बुद्ध महावीर येशु बोल मनवा बुद्ध महावीर येशु शांति वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा अल्लाह येशु सतगुरु शांति जो राष्ट्र भी हो महावीर शांति तन में शांति मन में शांति रोम रोम में शांति शांति वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा बुद्ध महावीर येशु शांति वाहे गुरु बोल मनवा
He's gone up Kolkata today for the second checkup. Hopefully everyone is okay.
You won't see him, right?
He's not coming. Definitely, because I don't know what time he'll come back. He's doing his therapy. You ask him what he's doing.
KG block. Which is LKG, which is UKG? And this one?
Activity room.
Very good.
What this?
What is this?
Brindavan fruit bus.
Oh.
What is it?
Banyan tree.
Who's that? Who's the father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Ah, correct. What is that? It is our song. Yes, no, national song. What is our national song?
Brindavan.
Yeah. Show and tell. Yeah. Flower. Our national flower.
What's the name of the flower?
What is the name of the flower? Flower. No, Dama. Flower. What is the name of the flower? Our national flower is
Lotus.
Lotus.
lotus. Okay. Then show.
Veena.
Veena. Our national instrument.
Tiger. Pumpkin. Mango.
Very good.
Thank you. Say thank you.
How are you?
No. Diamond. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What's your family? Tell me. Your family?
Family.
Which is his family?
That's his family. This is Rehan family.
What's 1 name?
Say louder.
1, 5, 1, 19.
Oh, poor child. He's looking at you. So no problem.
Say louder. What is this? This is post office.
Maybe you can open one of these windows, just so that one of each side.
Yes. Yes, Rehan.
Hi.
You got to, of all these things, which one do you like? Which one do you like? Tell
Which
me.
one do you like?
I want to know. Second?
How are you? Where do I start? Here or there? Here. This one? This one.
Good morning, sir. I am Hasni from grade 4. This is what you know about Chinese schools. Arrangement is a good choices in arrangement and facilities very important process to the final choice based from adding things and process in modern
Thank you. Have you seen the rice one? Have you seen? Escalator.
My name is Brindavan. Studying in first term. My important name is Escalate. escalator union staircase which carries people between four of the building.
Have you seen an escalator? Where?
Water pollution. Water pollution. Water is very important resource. Every living being needs water. We need water for drinking, cooking, gardening, and cleaning, etc. We pollute our water in different ways like through plastics, garbage in river and pond. We save water always. We don't waste water. We avoid to pollute the water. Thank you.
Thank you. What is this?
This is pond. This is pond. This is also pond. This is
River.
Which class are you in, Mama? Sorry, tell sir.
second morning, sir. English Durga. I'm studying after that. I'm going to speak pollution. Pollution is a big problem these days. Water, air, noise, and land pollution are common. Pollution is very dangerous for human. We can follow, reuse, reduce, recycle to control the pollution. Thank you, sir. Good morning. Today I am going to present a poem on noise pollution. Noise pollution is created by human. Unwanted things, unwanted noise creates noise pollution. It is harmful to human health. It can cause loss of hearing power. It also affect all learning speeds. Thank you. I'm going to say air pollution. The air pollution
Mommy and grandma.
Yes, please.
Say it again, yeah?
You can do this example also. Do this example. Tell mom what it is. This is take a different issues that way. This is what
Working organs. Our lungs are the pair of spongy pinkish grey organs in our chest. When you inhale air enters your lungs and oxygen from that goes moves to your blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste gas, moves to your blood to the lungs and exhaled out. Thank you. The digestion is regular into nutrition that is carbohydrate, fats, and proteins. They can be absorbed directly. Steam used to them for energy. Good morning, sir. I am going to say about digestive system. The digestive system breaks down food into nutrients such as carbohydrate, fats, and protein. They can then be absorbed into bloodstream, so the body can use them for energy, growth, and repair. Thank you, sir.
Good job.
Good morning, sir. My project is excretory system. The excretory system helps in performing excretion in the human body. The process of removing harmful waste and excess water from our body is known as excretion. Thank you, sir. I'm saying about water purification. Water purification is the process of removing undesirable chemical, biological contaminant, suspended solid and gases from contaminant water. The goal of this process is to produce water fit for a specific purpose. Thank you, sir.
I built one.
Okay.
The process in which plants use sunlight to convert water, carbon dioxide and minerals into food is known as photosynthesis.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Madam, we are going to do cotton candy.
Sir, color cotton candy is pink color. Color cotton candy are pink. Color cotton candy. Color cotton candy are more appetizing and fun than white color cotton candy.
Yeah, it's open.
Be careful, darling. Oh, I can see that.
That's cotton candy.
Not bad. Now you have got something. Yes, very good.
And should I show you how it's working? Keep it there.
This packaging is used with that paper, and this packaging is used for electricity. Good morning, sir. This is a microscope. Microscope is used to view the samples in high magnification. So it has two effective lenses, and the ocular lens at the eyepiece, and the objective lens at the sample. So you can try. You can try.
What do you want me to do?
So you can keep your eyes closer, and you can see the cells which is present. plant. Transportation is the minerals like food and water with the help of the tissue known as xylem and phloem. Xylem transports water. Xylem transports water from the root to all part of the plants. Phloem transports food from leaves to all part of the plants. This is the model based way. Thank you.
You want to watch some plant here? Huh?
Sir, my name is sir. This is transpiration in plants. Transpiration in plants, sir. At morning, at night, oxygen is released, carbon formed. At morning, oxygen is taken, oxygen is released, carbon dioxide is taken, and glucose is formed. Invented by Englishman chemistry in 2009. When you keep the hand, it will
Sound the alarm.
Our project is wastewater treatment plants. Water is essential for everyone in day-to-day life, in bathing, drinking, and agriculture purpose. In industries, they produce wastewater. Into river water. To prevent that, we can use this wastewater treatment plant. First, we want to store the water for a few days.
After you store the water for a few days, then?
And then, sir, we want to convert into flocculation. Flocculation means the
What happens when you store the water for a few days?
So the the salt particle will stay down, sir. The pure water will be stay up, sir. And then flocculation. Flocculation means the dissolved chemical compounds. The dissolved chemical compounds attach the input of adding some chemicals. Adding some chemicals, the foam. Adding some chemicals to make the foam. The foam will destroy the waste materials in the wastewater. And then coagulation. Coagulation means adding some chemicals to remove the waste.
Oscillatory motion, the flow motion of the body, the flow motion of the body that is in the rest place or new place. Rotational motion. The motion it is said to be rotational motion.
Put in and using it for growth and recycling organ systems function which is known as digestive system. The process of digestion has many stages and many organs work together to complete their work.
To move and travel with esophagus and stomach cell and large intestine and small intestine at the last and see it goes.
Take that.
Good morning, sir. Today I am going to talk about hydraulic lift. Hydraulic lift is used to lifting heavy vehicles like car, truck, etc. In service stations, they are used for air repairing. When we give force, pressure creates and the pressure transferred to one point to another, and generally they use oil in
Yes, please.
My project is solar power irrigation. Solar power irrigation system is a water pumping system used in paddy fields and gardens for watering plants, vegetables, fruits, etc. The sun steady solar panel. The sun steady solar panel that which converts solar energy into electrical energy. Advantages: eco-friendly, increases crop yield, access to remote areas. Disadvantages:
What is eco-friendly? What do you mean when you say eco-friendly? It's not eco-friendly, you know? What does it mean? Tell me. Find out, okay? You should not talk about anything.
Electrification. My
Rural,
project.
okay.
Rural electrification is the process of bringing electrical power to rural and remote areas. It is considered to be the backbone of the rural economy. Rural energy needs to include cooking, basic lighting, irrigation, communication, water heating, and so on. So during the daytime, the sunlight will hit the solar and the solar will give charge to the battery. So during the night, all villages will have lights.
Launched on 14 July 2023. Mission consists of coordinate Brindavan and This is a model for the matter. That distance towards
You don't watch it on the television? You watch it on the television? Sundaram Dandi? Huh?
Thank you.
Come on.
Today I'm going to explain about water harvesting.
So the one.
Rainwater harvesting is the direct use of collection. So first, when is the rain will save? Here first, from here the rain will come here and the water will be saved here. From here it received here and they will be using from spill, they will be using this.
They have done rainwater collection. Just remove your waste production and use it for. Well, that's water, that's rain collection. Okay.
The black material present in this surface acts as a conductor which conducts electricity. Graphite is a crystalline form of an element called carbon. The free electrons present in this carbon are responsible for this. The main purpose of movement is to convert the wind energy to Three chairs means for independence. They are same in both country level and
Good morning, boys and girls. How are you?
please pick a apple.
Have so much in common. Please try to answer this question.
Why is it sad that parallel lines have so much wrong? Well, they never
Please pick a number between 1 and 63. 1 and 63. Please pick a number.
One is
63.
Without telling them. Don't tell them. Don't tell them.
Tell clearly, pick a number 1 to 63 any number in the mind. Yeah.
You should not say this.
You should just keep it in mind.
I don't know.
Sir, the
Is the
number
number here, sir? Don't say to us, sir.
Yeah.
Here, sir.
No.
Here, sir.
Where? Where? Show me.
The number is here.
Yeah.
Here, sir.
No.
The 80.
18, sir.
Oh, it's here.
Please, sir.
19.
Yeah.
I was thinking.
Okay, what's missing number? Tell me. There's 1 there, 2, 3. What is it?
Not like that. I think over here they want you to figure out all these questions.
Oh, you want me to figure out what's missing?
Is it correct? She's answering.
Oh.
Yes, sir. This is a magic hand. Could you please move it?
Me?
Could you please move it and place it in such a way that the pyramid
I hear you.
I would ask you that.
Move only 3 so that you form the pyramid again. Tell loudly.
three coins. And the pyramid should become exactly in this opposite sides.
You should move 3 coins in such a way that you get the same thing inverted. That's it.
What was the thing?
Yes, tell me.
Good morning, dignitaries. I am Kanishka from class 9.
Good morning, dignitaries. I am Kashmi from class.
We are here to tell you casino game and probability, sir. Casino game and probability.
The study of probability is to figure out the possible outcomes.
An example for it is throwing a dice or tossing a coin, sir. And it is number of ways a certain event can occur to the number of possible outcomes also.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
So the formula is the total number of possible outcomes by the total number of favorable outcome by the possible outcomes.
Correct.
So 4 by 6 we should cancel by 2 table.
Yeah.
So 2 by 3.
Very good. Good feet.
We are here to explain about probability game. So the rule is that if you land on blue tail, you should move back 2 steps. If you land on pink tail,
Angles of a right angle triangle. Father of trigonometry is Hipparchus.
now the flat board shows the angle of elevation, and the super hexagon shows all the trigonometric functions. This one is the trigonometrical math, say Pythagoras math. To quickly explain, this one is the Pythagoras theorem. This the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the other two sides of the square. Values and for their respective angles. And here we have a slide for each trigonometric functions with their formulas, perpendicular by base and all. And here we have a swing.
Okay.
Here we have a swing showing the three main trigonometrical identities. And here we have a slide showing the angle of elevation and angle of depression. Thank you, sir. Angle formed between the horizontal line and the line of sight when the point is above the horizontal line. When the observer with the device called
Clinometer.
angle formed is called clinometer. This is based on Pythagoras theorem, sir. Can you find the correct answer? Find the correct answer. Trigonometry is nothing but the study of angles and sides of angles over here. Sine value in the 0 degree angle is 0, and cos is 1 in 0 degree, and tan is 0 in 0 degree. In 30 degree, sine value is 1 by 2, and cos value is root 3 by 2, and tan value is 1 by 2. In 45 degree, sine value is 1 by root 2, and cos value is 1 by root 2, and tan value is 1. In which each number is the sum of two preceding numbers. Here we have two models of Fibonacci series. One is the structure of honeycomb and the other is the Fibonacci series in leaf pattern. Leonardo Fibonacci was an Italian mathematician who found Fibonacci series.
Like this, and the other sets of spaces should be empty. So there are a few rules to play this game. Just a minute, sir. If you have to move this one, 1, 2, but here already there are 2 points upon each other, so you can't place it here. So you have to place it on the next thing. So now it is your turn, sir. You have to move.
So you are actually moving at 4 points.
I'm going to explain about the essay of some 3D figures. Let's start with the code. The essay of a cone is equal to.
What is TSA?
TSA is a total surface area square plus pi r length square. TSA of a square L cube square so this.
On top and the bottom.
What's on the bottom? Correct?
Yes. Good morning, sir. There's a polygonal place. There's 4 triangles slantingly connected and it has 1 vertex. Volume of pyramid is equal to 1 by 3 into volume into base into area into height. And the total surface of area of the pyramid is equal to 1 by 2 into PL plus base square.
This area is what?
Area is the polygonal base of the pyramid. And here comes cube, sir. It has 6 faces, sir, 12 edges and 8 vertices, sir. The volume of a cube is equal to area cube, sir, and the total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into area square, sir. The cuboid is also same like a cube, sir. It also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices, sir. But the opposite faces are equal and parallel to each other, sir.
It's not a perfect cube. Looks like a cuboid.
Show me now.
The area of a circle is pi r square, sir. The area of a triangle is 1 by 2 into breadth into height, sir.
Very good, sir. Thank you.
Answer is 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Thank you. My name is Ashwini, class 8. My name is
Seven, right? No, enough. We've got lots.
This puzzle is having a certain pattern. Can you please
Each one has a pattern.
Sir, this is good. First, what color do you like from the side?
Orange.
Sir, please arrange these numbers in such a way that when you add these in vertical or horizontal, you should get 12 seconds.
Vertical and horizontal.
Sir, please have a cup.
Fine, we've got lots.
Very
Nice.
nice.
What's this about?
If these both frequency matches, we can access this RFID. So this RFID scanner is connected to an Arduino board. This is the Arduino board. And this is the and the door locks it. If you place another time on this RFID scanner, the door opens. This can be done in a wireless manner. Instead of using traditional lock and key system, we can use these types of wireless scanning to lock and secure our homes. And this is implemented in many hotels in Samarkand. So this can be used as a door locking system and to secure bank lockers and all those. This has many advantages, but also this contains disadvantages. This can be hacked by someone who, those professionals who are trained, they can hack this RFID scanner and they can open this. And this can be short circuited when it is exposed to water or any conducting liquid.
How many frequencies can you program into that?
This has a disadvantage, sir. This can be programmed only till 5 kb, only in kilobits it can be programmed. Sir, it has least storage.
Like how many different frequencies? Like
Only a single frequency, sir. This frequency.
this has to match, but like how many frequencies? Like say in a hotel, you have 200 rooms in a hotel. So you have 200
in
different
each room they'll be having each scanner and each stack. So this is also an RFID scanner, sir. This has a frequency, but this does not match this frequency, so we can't access this block. But this frequency is matching with this RFID tag, so this is Arduino board, sir. In this board we can connect the wire to the laptop, then we can program this in such a way that each scanner matches the frequency.
So this is the second doctor. So we have a white background for this. So it will be easily able to detect various objects. Box it says so this can be enhanced more, sir. If we show this, it should do a particular thing. Like that, it can be enhanced more, sir. So if it can be trained with different objects. For time being, I have trained it with these 4 objects, sir. This is a Raspberry Pi. It is a mini computer, sir. It is portable and it uses less power for this. So,
Very nice.
Since we need power supply, one of each one will come and explain.
Oh, okay. Bye.
As the base and after any strips and jumping wires for connection.
The simple definition of LED matrix, it is a grid of lights that are arranged in rows and columns. The full form of LED is that it is light emitting resistance. So like with other diodes, electricity flows from anode to capacitor, so it eliminates light. And the advantage of this is that it provides the robust potential for the safety of front end lights. And LED, it is a large flat panel, sir. It has a low resolution form of band matrix, and it can be used for commercial and industrial purposes, sir, as well as for hobbies, children, and businesses.
Which class?
Today we are presenting a car system with using code, and it is a open source with hardware and software, and it is designed for electronic projects.
A breadboard consists of plastic block holding a matrix sockets of negative and positive. It is used to connect. A solder, rotational translational radiation sensitive optoelectronic.
Let's see how it works.
So, when the car comes, the IR sensor detects the car and sends to the nano. And the nano commands the servo motor to open the gate, and LED display shows which slot is free.
Right? You don't have anything that will stop it from hitting the car. You just take it there. Parking full access. You don't have anything to stop the thing from hitting the car. It's like go there and stop the car. This is coming back and hitting the car. Next time you do it, you program it so that it doesn't close on the car.
Sir, we are from class 9. So we are going to present a model called solar panel sunlight tracker. So the main principle of this project or model is about solar panel. We used Arduino. Arduino is nothing but a microcontroller. So the use of this Arduino, it receives the signal from the LDR. LDR is nothing but light dependent resistor. This is over here, which there are 4 LDRs. detect the presence and absence of the sunlight, and it can also measure the intensity of the rays. So it sends the signal to the Arduino, which is the microcontroller. After sending the signal to the microcontroller, it processes about the coding and the algorithms, and it sends the signal to the servo motor. A servo motor is a kind of motor which can be easily programmed. So after sending to the signal to the servo motor aligns the solar panel to the direction of the sun.
Arduino Nano, breadboard, jumper wires, servo motor, and LDF.
Arduino Nano is a microcontroller based device. It's a 16 digital pins. The 16 digital pins are used by the jumper wires. It can be easily connected to it, and it is used for most of the computer projects. LDR, light dependent resistor. Light dependent resistor is used as a sensor which can detect the sunlight.
So for this connection we have used breadboard, sir. You can ask why you are using breadboard, because it is so easy to replace and optimize it by the user choice, sir. It is for building temporary circuits.
So this type of motor is used to consists to control the this type of motor is consists to control the rotation of the solar panel. If you want their ends so that we can draw it easily. And there are 3 types of jumper wires: male to male, female to female, and male to female. Thank you. So it turns according to the intensity of the light.
Until yesterday it was running in all directions, but because the motor of batteries has gone down, so it's not only little.
So why don't you just replace the battery?
So we had to order it online. So.
Our project is a water emoji meter. So the use of a project is to check the water quantity in a plant.
Sir, we have done this project why? Because the water level of the plant, if the water level of the plant increase, the plant gets water, sir. So we made this project to check the plant water. Now inside this pot we have kept back the answer. Here it will show us smiley face, sir. So the water level is above, if the water level is correct to the level of 200. If the water level is lower than less than 150, it will show us a sharp face. Why are you not giving me water like
what face is that?
Sharp face.
So this is programmed to specific levels?
Yes, sir. We have used Arduino board, sir, and soil sensor, sir. We have and LED matrix for this. And we have used C++.
C++ is to the best program for all of this, or can you use Java?
We can use Python and C++ for Arduino.
For this Arduino board, we have to use Arduino language. It's a separate language to code this board. Using that code, we can program to go from various apps.
And you link it to your C++ program. Like, what do you write?
No, sir, it's totally different. It's another coding language.
Yeah, so what are these components you're getting?
It's a Raspberry Pi 4. We are controlling it with Wi-Fi. It's connected to one of the systems. Yeah. This is connected there.
So that the unit itself, it's just a wireless keyboard.
Just a keyboard.
So you can control it.
And how do you connect it to that?
It's this is connected to that system. That system is connected to the vector.
So here I am with the life robot, which is used in like many industrial settings for like a lot of works, and this is used as projects and negative and positive terminals, which is connected to a 12 volts battery.
It recognizes a particular frequency, so we can use it in a small community where we can have a lights in the road and we can transport anything without any human.
So basically, how would you do that? You kind of have a light source somewhere and
Yeah,
make
so
this
we should have a light source of a particular frequency, and we will have video sensors. That sensors will capture that particular frequency and control it.
So if the light is from a different frequency, it will not.
Yeah, it will not. Same like Arduino microcontrollers, right? That we can access through Wi-Fi. And now you can see that in the room that is the temperature is 27 degrees and the gas value is 127. Below 100, which means the gas value is something bad for us.
What is the gas value? Never heard of gas value.
How the quality of air is. We gave us the name as then this is humidity inside the this is a basic coding, sir.
So air quality lower is bad, right? Or
100, below 100 is bad.
It goes to 500, it's good.
Yeah, 500 means it is very we just programmed this for a basic.
So what exactly is the air quality?
It decreases below 100 means it is that this is that air quality model for it. And this is humidity. We just programmed this for a basic model. If we program more means we can get notifications through this. It can alert you when you are going out, like the air quality is bad, and you can see the display also. For this to work, sir, we should connect this to a common Wi-Fi like FTTH where we
Which class are you?
So we did case handling vehicle, and it is made up of 9 volt battery, cab motor, speed, and ice.
How is it connected? How is it connected to this rotor?
Robot is a machine, especially one which is programmable. It is capable of carrying out a complex series of actions. It can be guided by an external control device, or the control may be very different. The robots are as performing machines designed with the emphasis on staff functionality rather than the expressive aspects. So even a robot works as It is here. It is here. It is so easy to remove our work, sir, and it is faster than us, sir. Sir, robot can
solve it water.
Sir, robot can execute specific tasks with little or no human intervention, sir. Today we use robots like Android, which look like human, and Uniman was the first robot digitally operated by George DeWalt.
Thanks. Good job. Wow. Good morning.
How can we get this battery and we are connecting to the tank?
What's that? You wait. Can you wait now?
It's getting. As it comes here, we wait. No, by then it will be.
Places in a container and heat is supplied. So after heat is supplied, they are being collected in a container.
So this process is known as crushing. In this process, the larger material which is weathered, it will be crushed and it will be sent to the next process.
So in separation, the bigger particles will stay in the top cell and the smaller particles will take enough place. I mean, in fact, we taken in our tray.
Okay.
So after taking this, it will go to heating process. So after heating, the thing will be packed.
What happens to these particles?
These particles again it will move to crushing. So crushing and again it will come to separation.
We found Nelson found the water and add the current can be generated. So we choose water, sir, because it is easier than water. When the aquarium setup, so we made a little tape of setup. While the water pump, we directly the water is pulling here, water is coming and it will rotate. While it is rotating, this bulb walls water will be work as a dynamo. If the working as a dynamo, we connected a wire here into this chip. We got a current into this chip. We can charge wire, phones, laptops.
Can you demonstrate it or you are not ready for that?
I used two sensors. A mini fish that's use the brain for this. And use MPU sensor. MPU sensor helps detecting harmful gases. Helps detecting harmful gases in our atmosphere. And this MPU sensor this sensor helps acceleration. The movement of so now we can show you this is the program. And I just wanted to calibrate it. We find four gases, the value changes. It's not that the angle is gx, gy, gz, ax, ay, ay. So,
So it's not okay, but
yes. So this is the basic. This is the basic of paracycles. Same like this, a larger level in a bigger level, they make paracycles, which is in our lower orbits. Lower orbit.
nice. You can smell some tea.
This is the breadboard and the rice. Raspberry pie, pie maker and the jam.
This has sugar.
And the answer is if we effort to make whether the opposite if any
Power source connected to USB, and then it's similar to a blank slot contactor. When a person enters here, it's called a sensor, it will automatically open the door and close the doors. If the person is entering from here, these are sensors, one is transmitter and receiver. Please come here closer. Then it's event in sensor, and as he passes this sensor, being starts and it closes. The number of slots is displayed here, which are free and which are empty. So whenever a person goes on seeing this display board, he will find out whether it's the balance is. So like I used an Arduino board. I used an Arduino board and I displayed with the two IR sensors, servo motors, and I2C module. So this I2C module will since it will connect all the wires to one junction, so that it gives an impulse to this sensor, and the sensor will read the infrared rays from the person, and it will read whether the person is entering or not, and automatically it travels an impulse to this servo motor, and that servo motor will automatically open and close accordingly, so that it's nice.
Can you program this without any like right now there's nothing in front here, it's continuously reading. Can you program it without
Implemented stage, sir. Basic stage. It will be further implementing in the future, and also will be adjusting. Will be creating another eye detecting for blind people, sir. Because it has an advantage that it will sense only the obstacles which are near the ground.
Yeah.
So whenever a ball comes hits a person, it's a disadvantage. So it will be along with this, we'll be adjusting another eye, so a smart eye glass that will.
Recycled garbage, so that in this preserves the water, and whenever the wind or any other plants is in need of water, that serves. Just can you preserve the water so that it gets the plant.
Is this the same as hydroponics, the river of hydroponics?
That only water will be used. But here is soil.
Here you have soil, okay.
This is simple, and this banana trunk is taken after the harvest of banana. So usually banana trunk is gone. So and even banana trunk is rich in phosphorus and potassium. So these two minerals are very needed for the plant's growth. And we have mixed root powder, so it makes growth
vast expanse of the cosmos itself. Space, the final frontier, has fascinated humanity for centuries. With its unimaginable possibilities, humanity has been fascinated with space over centuries. In recent years, we have made explicable growth in space exploration. A perfect example for that is Chandrayaan. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of Chandrayaan's working. Imagine it as a space exploration device. Imagine it as a cosmic detector equipped with advanced scientific instrument. It explores the moon, it examines the moon's surface, mapping its landscapes and reveals their hidden stories as we make more future developments. Some major people behind these space exploration and Chandrayaan projects are Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, who was regarded as the father of Indian space program, and Dr. Somnath, the current chairman of ISRO, who has been leading this mission with his innovative leadership. Chandrayaan Chandrayaan has very.
I'm R. Michela from grade 11. Today I'd like to explain about an exciting and an ambitious endeavor of the ISRO, which is the lander of Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is the third mission of India's lunar exploration program, following the success of Chandrayaan 1 and 2. The lander of Chandrayaan 3 is a crucial component in this mission. It is a spacecraft designed to land on the lunar surface of the moon, specifically targeting the South Polar region. This is because the significance of this lander lies in its potential to unlock the various mysteries of lunar surfaces, including its composition, geography, topography, and also the history of the water ice. The primary function of this lander is to have a controlled descent, and also it provides a base for this rover to conduct its own scientific researches and collect the data about the moon surface. This not only enhances India's lunar exploration program, but it also adds a global information about the moon surface. So it is definitely a source of national pride. We should thank ISRO for this mission. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. I'm here to explain you about the rover. After landing into the solar pole region of the moon, the Chandrayaan has landed its Vikram lander and deployed the rover, that is Pragyan rover, into the moon to get more information about the moon crater. The rover is made up of and it is equipped of lots of instruments to perform various experiments on the moon, such as to analyze the surface of the moon and quarks of the moon and heat condition, and also about the surface of the moon. So the rover, it has helped the ISRO to release a lot of information and pictures and videos to ISRO, and we are able to know more about the moon with the help of Pragyan rover. Thank you, sir.
Do you know how far that traveled? The rover? They put it in sleep mode. Why did they put it in sleep mode? Because that part of the moon was.
Excuse me, sir. It takes 28 days to complete one round in the orbit of the moon, sir. So this 28 days is split into 14 days of day and 14 days of night, just like how we have 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night in the Earth. So this rover, it requires solar energy for it to function. So for the first 14 days, it is facing the sun in the daytime, it functions, and for the next 14 days, in the absence of the sun, it cannot function, so we call it to be sleeping. And next 14 days, it automatically activates and it gives us sleep.
Has it been activated again, or is still waiting for the 14 days?
It's still waiting because it has just launched around 23rd August.
How far did it travel, you know?
Using this satellite launch vehicle, and this carries heavier satellites. That is PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, and this is the first launch vehicle which is to be equipped with liquid stages, and that is GSLV, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, that is designed, operated by ISRO, and this carries satellites and other space objects to geosynchronous transfer orbit.
So I would also like to explain about black hole. So black hole is an astronomical object which has an incredible gravitational pull. It is so intense that not even light can escape its grasp. It is formed when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. The center point of the black hole is called a singularity. It is a point which has an infinite strong amount of gravitational pull, and also the space-time is dwarfed. So here, around the singularity, there is an invisible boundary line called as the event horizon. any object which crosses this event horizon, it automatically falls into the black hole. We can compare this to a cosmic vacuum cleaner. It just gobbles up everything in their path. So this black hole, it is one of the mysterious phenomena in the universe which challenges the understanding of physics and also the nature of space and time. Now let us see about the 3 different types of black holes, which is classified on the basis of their masses. They are stellar, intermediate and supermassive. Stellar black holes weighs up to thrice the mass of the Sun. Intermediate is equal to 1000 times mass of the Sun. And supermassive black holes, which is regarded to be the heaviest black holes ever, weighs up to billion times the mass of the Sun. So now let's speak about Stephen Hawking, who is famous for his discovery about the black holes. He discovered that black holes emit certain radiations which can be detected by special instrumentation. If not for him, the study of black hole would not be possible. Also, according to recent research, an article which was published on September 8, 2023 states that there are black holes in the Hyades cluster. Hyades is the name given to a cluster which is close to the solar system, which means that now we have discovered black holes closest. This is the black hole and this is the singularity point. Now I have taken few beads. So let us assume that these are the celestial bodies like the planets or the stars. When something is, when it crosses the imaginary boundary called as the event horizon, it takes a spherical round and it automatically forms
it will give certain information about these storms. It will give crucial dates of these storms so that people can be alert, and it not only saves the people's life but also it is useful for future plans, that's for climate. Next it is useful for a GPS, which is used for navigation while we travel. It's used for GPS like that. It's even used for airport while it's traveling, aeroplane when it's traveling also this navigation is used also. And it is also playing a critical role in national security and defense, and it travels 18,000 miles per hour, and there are over 2,500 satellites in orbits around Earth. And the first artificial satellite is Sputnik 1 spacecraft, which was launched in 1957. Thank you, sir.
So I'm here to explain about solar and lunar eclipse. The shadow of the Earth will fall onto the moon, and so the moon is darkened, sir. And when we turn it, when the moon is between the sun and the Earth, it is solar eclipse. So that the shadow of the moon will fall on the Earth, and the few parts in which the shadow of the moon is falling, that part will be partially or fully dark. Yes, sir. And the solar eclipse is on October 14th of 2023, and the lunar eclipse is on 20th and 29th of October, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Meteoroids and asteroids are also considered to be a few dwarf planets, and the first 4 planets are called as terrestrial planets, and they are made up of rock and gas giant planets because they are mostly made up of dust particles and gas, and it is of helium and hydrogen mostly. And the last 2 planets, they are called as ice planets because they are mostly made up of water, ammonium and methane gas. Thanks.
So the dwarf planets are only because of size, or is there any other reason why?
The main reason is size, and it is smaller than the moon. Pluto is smaller than the moon.
Is that the only reason that they reclassify it as a planet? Pluto, why was it? Originally it was considered one of the planets.
It was moving out of orbits.
It was moving out of orbit.
Nearly, sir. Near to this sensor.
Running shoe, not this shoe. Okay, running shoe. Not no cut shoe.
Next 3 years only, mine.
example.
You want milk?
Aditi, you are right here.
Good morning, sir.
What does it mean in girl? Courage.
Infinite mysteries and unimaginable possibilities, it has always been a constant source of inspiration and curiosity for humans. As we delve into this realm, we are reminded of the infinite possibilities of human ingenuity. Speaking of human ingenuity, there's an organization that has consistently pushed the envelope in space research, the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO. Laid the foundation for future lunar explorations. Behind these remarkable missions, there are brilliant minds and leaders. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was
1 and 2. The lander of Chandrayaan 3 is a crucial component in this mission. It is a spacecraft designed to land on the lunar surface of the moon, specifically targeting the south polar region. This is because this land is believed to be rich in water ice. This not only enhances India's lunar exploration surface. This mission of Chandrayaan 3 is definitely a source of national pride. Thanks to ISRO. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I'm here to explain about the rover. After landing,
Did you watch the landing? Did you watch the landing on the television? Did you watch the doctor?
no, sir. System is present in our Milky Way galaxy. The solar system consists of 8 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, and many other planets, dwarf planets are also there in the Milky Way galaxy. That includes Pluto, Makemake, Gong, Eris, and many other asteroids and asteroids are also in the, present in the dwarf planets. So the first 4 planets are called as terrestrial planets, and they are called as terrestrial planets because they are made up of hard materials such as rocks, and other 4 are known as giant planets due to their size. And the first 2 of the giant planets, that is Jupiter and Saturn, they both are made up of gas, and they are known as gas giant planets. They are mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. And the other 2 planets, they are known as ice giant planets, as they are mostly made up of hydrogen, ammonium and methane. Yes, sir. Thanks.
Indian brilliance and international accompaniments. This is an actual representation of what the moon surface would look like, with craters and pits that most probably formed due to asteroid and comet attacks. This is the representation of the moon surface. This is what it would look like.
These are craters.
Yes, sir, these are craters. These are pits. It's mostly a solid rocky surface.
What is the meaning of zeros? What is geography? What is geology? Geological survey. What is geological survey? Geo.
Object which orbits around the celestial body like Earth. It's made of different size and different shapes with unique features. Now let's see some roles of satellite. First, communication satellite transforms the way we connect with each other, like sending an email or watching a live broadcast channel. It's all because of the satellite, and the satellite connects.
Abdul Kalam came for their 50th anniversary of the Hotel Celebration Trust. I invited them and they are function of trust. More than delivering a speech, he was more interested. I had children from my taught himself studies in prison. He studied so well. Things like that in our we do. Where is it? What was? Is it done by children?
Yes.
Pardon?
Outline was by the teachers. That outline was by teachers. All the other things we gave it to the children, they have to distribute.
Very good job. Look at Brindavan children.
இந்த ஃபோட்டோ கட்டி பார்த்து
And the kids?
Yes.
This is the night, You made.
9, 10, 11, 12.
You made it.
Yes.
Now that your children are going to go a lot of time.
Which brings back the memories of POB allegation. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What are you doing here?
I am visiting a march.
What? You mean Gandhiji?
Yeah, come with me. I will show you the march.
Okay, but tell me, what is a Gandhi March and when it started?
The act was not violent. It was obedient to colonial India. Then Mahatma Gandhi took protest in peaceful in India, and that was started at 12 March 1930 from Sabarmati Ashram.
He is so great.
One more person is hard march. Who is that?
No, I don't know who's that. Can you please tell me?
It's none other than the great founder, Shri Odi Alagisa.
From where did Sri Odi allegation start his march?
Started his march in Brindavan and meeting 100
I feel so proud to be a student in Brindavan Public School.
Even I too feel so proud to be a student in Brindavan Public School.
Thank you.
This is the so movement started when he was 18 years old.
Our founder chairman being sworn in as Deputy Minister for Railways and Transport in 1952 by President Rajendra Prasad in the presence of Sri Gopal Swami, Babu Jagjeevan Ram and Jawaharlal Nehru.
So from this photograph, you can
This is the flag.
You know who this person is? You know who this person? N. Gopal Swami Iyengar. You don't know who they are? They're all freedom fighters. They're all freedom
Let's have a short trip over our founder's chairman's achievements. To start with, a notable achievement during our founder's tenure in the railway ministry was the completion of integral coach factory at Perambur, Madras. Our founder chairman was the key person to change electric trains from DC system to AC system, which was very much effective. Constructions of Banihal Pass Tunnel on the national highways from Jammu to Srinagar. Our founder chairman, who was a firm believer in the power of education, established the Bhakta Vakshalam Educational Trust in the year 1958. The Brindavan Public School motto, peak to peak, which is the beacon that guides its onward journey, is also apt to describe his life.
Very good.
Our founder chairman was close to the great personalities of India. One among them was the then Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Sri K. Kamarajar. He visited our school in 1968. During his visit, he interacted with our students and had tea.
It was the intro.
But you look at what you know.
Like what they observe, so they can do the project.
You should take them to, they're showing what.
Living around 300 villages, we are able to maintain our cultures, customs, rituals, and a simple lifestyle for thousands of years.
What's this?
Ragi. That is Kunda N2, that is turtle.
Small N2 and big N2. That is small N2. This one, I made of maida. Put it on plate and say that.
That is ragi balls.
That is wheat.
Wheat dosa, ragi balls.
This is beans gravy.
That and
With
that are
along
same,
with
right?
this. Yes, that is it.
With this gravy.
Along with
And
this, we
dosa
have
with?
this. That is fried and baked beans. That avarai they call rice.
Goes with?
So
rice,
white
rice,
ham and
rice.
white sauce. Yeah, that's because I have it.
That's like one day, the next day,
You know how to read this?
So when a girl comes to a family, so others is normal plates they use. So when the girl comes to a family, she has to bring it and give her husband and everything. Now so this is like
What is this?
so this is homemade chocolates. Lakshmi ma'am, give it to the. This is Varki sir, our roti Varki. And these are the cookies that. These are the fees.
Good, try this.
Rice coffee sir. function later.
This was made by somebody at home, or this is bought?
Yes, this was brought.
Children project.
Sorry, you have to wait.
Tools, honey, got tools, honey, butter, geese.
You bought so much?
Station at an elevation of over 7,000 feet. John Sullivan, a British administrator, played a crucial role in introducing tea cultivation in the Nilgiri Hills. In 1834, the tea committee,
So it crosses 16 tunnels, 280 inches per company. So it starts at 7:10 a.m. in the morning and
propellants. The propellants are what which will help the bullets shoot faster. In 1904, Lord Babbington came to India, came to Philippines to make this factory. He had 4 years for this factory. First, they built a tank, which is a carpenter tank, which was the first man-made tank of the whole of Asia. And then they got 200 acres of land just for the 750 from the Madras presidency. And then to transport goods from planes to Philippines, they used logs. When they found out logs were not heavy and they needed a lot of manpower. So then they got the railways, which is the current cartoon. And then later on, to cargo war, they used our cartoons, our pioneer cartoons. These cartoons are made out of
faulting happens because of the compressor unavailable and is promoted by endogenous technology. For example, if there are 2 faults like this, either the devices produce a partial energy or it goes down to produce a final energy. So,
Good morning, sir. Nilgiri is a mountain in Southern India with an average height of 2,000 meters above the sea level. And it is a rock mountain which rises between 2 faults, and hence it is considered to be a horse landform. And Nilgiri is famous for its eucalyptus oil and tea, and also bauxite. And most of the tourists are attracted to study various lifestyles in Nilgiri and visit tea and vegetable plantations. And it culminates the average elevation of 1,636 meter above the level of.
Stay, please.
Yeah.